For math videos, please subscribe and hit the bell icon right now.
Going to start with chapter number 3, and today is 2nd July 2020. We are going to learn about three different things. The first one is quartiles, the second one is deciles, and the third one is percentiles. Before we learn all this topic, we should know that what is median. Okay, so here we begin. Okay, let us see the values are given from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So there are values given from 0 to 10. The centermost part, it is arranged in the ascending order, which is very important part. The centermost value is 5. So this is known as median. Here there is 50% of covering, and here it is 50%. So it is divided into two parts with 50-50%. When the middle value is being found, it is known as median. Okay. So let us say again there is a number given between 0 to 10, and we divide this value into 4 parts. This is one part, we divide into 4 parts: 1, 2, 3, and 4. So this is the first part where it covers 25%. Here it is the second part, this covers 25%. This is again 25%. This is the last 25%. We divide the whole range into 4 different parts. So at the first point here, we get quartile 1. This part is known as this, the value over here is known as quartile 1, that is 2.5. The second part, which covers 25 plus 25, 2 parts, that is quartile 2. That is number 5. The third part, which covers 75%, 25, 25, 25, that is quartile 3, that is 7.5. There is no quartile 4. Quartile हमेशा 3 જ હોય, that is quartile 1 at 25%, quartile 2 at 50%, and quartile 3 at 75%. This is the basic idea of a quartile. Let us see about decile. Okay, the values are given the same: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. This is a whole part arranged in the ascending order. In deciles, we have to divide it into 10 parts. So the first part, second part, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, and the 10th one. So this is decile 1, that is 10%, decile 2, decile 3, until decile 9. Decile 9 is number 9 over here. In deciles there are total 9 deciles. The 9 સુધી હોય. Decile 1 से लेके decile 9 तक. Quartiles में quartile 1 से लेके quartile 3 तक. In quartiles there are 4 different parts. In decile there are 10 different parts. Now comes percentiles that you see in your result. Percentile has got 100 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You represent as P1, P2, P3 because it is percentile, and it starts from P1, it goes till P99. P100 no hoy. It comes up to P99. Similarly, decile starts from 1 and it comes up to decile 9. Similarly, it comes from quartile 1, it comes to quartile 3. Here it has got 100 parts, here it has got 10 parts, and here it has got 4 parts. So this is a basic concept of quartile, decile and percentile. Median એટલે mid value 50%. Quartile 1 એટલે 25%, 50% and 75%. This is into the part of 10%, 20%, 30%, 40, 50, 60. This is 1%, 2%, 3%, 4% similar. So the whole range is divided into different percentages for quartile, decile and percentile. So this is the basic idea for Q, D and P. Quartile starts from Q1, Q2 and Q3. There is no Q4. Decile starts from D1 till D9 and percentile starts from P1 till P99. This should be very clear in your mind, and it is always in the form of ascending order. Ascending order.